We guys have a common problem about shaving. When you shave in the bathroom, you make such a crazy mess. There's a solution, right? Have you seen those things that you wrap around your neck and then you put it on the mirror? I'm gonna put a picture. You'll see what I'm talking about. No, you've seen those being advertised. I think they're like 10 bucks or something, or maybe 12 bucks. I've seen some people even advertise it for 30 bucks. But I have a solution for you, man, and it only costs $2. Go to Dollar Tree or to the dollar store or whatever. Get this, which is the rain poncho, right there. Get this, which is the heavy-duty suction cup hooks. Get those two, and I'm about to show you how to put them together. So as you can see, here's a poncho right there. Go ahead, grab a scissor and just cut right in the sides, right? Install the two suction hooks into your mirror, and then take the end of this from the bottom. You could make a hole in it. Look at this. And then you can take the other one. Voila! Bam! There you have it. Right there, man. Right there. You don't have to make a mess over here anymore. It's all right here.